Hello guys, welcome back to the video of most alsi, most irritating beauty guru of India. That is me. Obviously self-proclaimed. If you don't know still, let me tell you. So the thing is कि मैंने अपनी पूरी की पूरी एनीमे वॉल जो है उखाड़ के फेंक दी है, सिर्फ ऊपर वाला रहता है. My height is little embarrassing, so yeah, that's why I was not able to remove them. But I am thinking to upgrade. I will remove these one later. So yeah, I am thinking to do a little DIY plus little shopping for this wall. Yeah, so for today I'm going to do a little DIY and I'm going to draw or sketch something. I'm going to do something and the inspiration is this photo and I'm going to try to recreate this one. So yeah, तो इसको बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें चोरी करने जाना पड़ेगा. तो let's go for the चोरी. तो पहले हमें एक चार्ट चाहिए A3 साइज का. इतने अंधेरे में क्या दिखेगा? Okay, let me find it and I will चोरी. We obviously need a marker. If you happy and you know it, clap your hands. I can't.
आपको अकेला पाते हैं.
Don't.
अरे जहाँ से अच्छा.
So welcome back to not so fancy setup. I do not have any artsy setup for anything in that matter, but I'm going to try my best to make this, but I do not have high hopes for myself. I have reference on my laptop. Here is the A3 sheet, marker, lead pencil, some leads and eraser. Eraser is somewhere here, but I can't find it, but I will be doing my best. Obviously we are going to start with the sketch, rough sketch. Should I go like this horizontally or like vertically? I think I should go horizontally. Let's start. I am not professional. I have never learned to draw or anything. Yeah, once in third standard I think I attended a summer camp, but I don't think I remember anything from that. It is just going to be my instinct. I am happy that she does not have any nose. Nose is the most trickiest part according to me. I mean, it is not going to be perfect, but I will be happy with decent sketch also. ऐसा मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है? मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है. This one is the boring part, so I think I will be back with my rough sketch. So see you later. Bye. So this is the rough sketch. I know this is not perfectly similar, but I think I did a okayish job. So now I am going to marker this up with a marker, permanent marker, and I'm going to hope for the best.
Still out in the open. It's a 3-level bunk.
Look at it. Do you find it okay? Because I do. Yeah, face is not perfectly round, but I don't know why I did it like that. Yeah, it's okay. Not too great, not too bad. I'm going to cut this up a little to shorten the length and there will not be too much of the waist area. Now I'm going to use this tape on the back side of this page. Right here. Here. So this is the double tape and this is the wall. So it will be perfect. So it can hide this. जो पपड़ियाँ वगैरह निकल रही हैं, you can hide that. Satisfying part. Yeah. Okay, Is it looking good? I mean, it is fine. Not too great. Fine at best. Thinking to decorate this wall again and remove these shit. Yeah, I want little bit of Naruto, little bit of Ghibli movie references, and little bit of Bollywood that I actually enjoy, but I don't enjoy much of Bollywood. So yeah, I am more of an anime girl. So yeah, I think I will be decorating it more slowly and I will show you the whole process. This is going to be part 1 of it. I also have drawn these things a while ago. These are my earlier sketches. And these CDs are also hand painted by me. So yeah, this is how I roll it. Similarly, it is going to be little DIY, little bought things, something like that. And yeah, I hope at the end it will look pretty cute. Yeah, I was bored of anime wall that was there earlier. Yeah, that was all the video for today. I know it was not that glamorous or anything, not that entertaining, but yeah, that was it. If you like this video, do remember to like, subscribe and share, and follow me on other social media platform. And also it will be great if you watch my other videos. Yeah, with that, see you in next video. Bye.